We watched the house from the time that they scraped the property and made it flat to every step of the way. And I guess when you walked into the kitchen, when it was done, was probably her biggest thrill.
Absolutely. It was love.
I'm Rick Goodson.
I'm his wife, Becky Goodson.
Live at Delmer Lakes in Edmond, Oklahoma.
The lot was what we wanted most.
And then the salesperson that helped us, she took us through every step, every question we had. She had an answer for it, would find an answer. It was easy.
I love the kitchen.
And that fireplace, you turn it on
Yeah,
every
the
night.
fireplace, that has been really nice just to be able to flip a switch, and yeah, I do use that every day.
I got an oversized garage. I've got an oversized patio that's right there in the backyard. I could throw a fishing rod into the lake from the back porch. That's what I like. Wouldn't have no problem at all recommending Tabor.